Italian Kitchen, Pennsville, New Jersey. And this is one of those places I always wonder why are they still in March cheesesteak madness? And then I go there and I'm like, oh, this is why. The Italian Kitchen feeds Pennsville and all the surrounding areas. Great small town place. The baked goods look amazing. Here's another one of these places. I'm surprised I don't leave with a basket full of sweets. When you walk in, they have a lot of the sweets displayed on a table, and that usually means discount rack, and I get all excited, but they're just getting ready for Easter. Big freaking teases. Holy mackerel. March 12th, I think. Tiny kitchen. Boy, from down here you can see that they need to repaint their letters. All right. Lunchtime. Full house. Alrighty. Italian kitchen. Italian kitchen. Look at these little tables off to the side. Alright, so I hope you know what I'm going to say already about that mushroom. And that mushroom. This is one of those places I've been picking the meat off as it falls off and as I unwrap and take my pictures. I don't know. It's almost like it's dry in spots. But boy, it looks good. Looks good. And what's up with me getting these dented rolls in New Jersey? Alright, so when you bite this thing, and you get it all together, this is a good cheesesteak. I tell you what else. Take the mushrooms off. $12.99. $12.99. Now, if I was inside there with extra cash, oh my goodness, the baked goods. The banana bread, cinnamon hard candy, whoopie pies, vanilla popsicles. This is definitely one of these little local, everybody comes here. And I know why. $12.99 and plenty of sweets.